There are a lot of people who die before they ever get the chance to get a transplant. If we could do a better job moving organs, we can save more lives.
Dr. Scalia said, hey, I got this wild and crazy idea. I want to deliver a human organ to a patient with a drone.
After 3 years of planning, we were finally able to do this, and everyone understood the value here because we were doing something no one had ever done before.
So that will just be a couple hours. Patient will be ready.
It's one thing to do an engineering task and be successful at that task, but it's another when that task actually affects somebody's life, and in this case, saves their life.
We're ready to receive the organ.
And at noon on a Thursday, April of 2019, we got the call. Patient is ready, organ is ready, let's do this. This is truly a game changer because once this becomes the normal way of doing business, tens of thousands of people are going to survive that today don't get to go home.